We lose many things, and sometimes we even lose our smartphones. And at that point of time, we lose ourselves completely. And I totally get that, because your phone has many necessary data that you need. But don't worry, just watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to tell you about some of the things that you need to do as soon as you lose your phone. So watch this video till the end. And hey guys, I'm your host Arnav, and you are watching Tech Arena. Let's go. So the first and foremost thing that you need to do is to note down your IMEI number. So the IMEI number is a device identity number that you can find either in your settings of your smartphone, but in this case, after losing your smartphone, you can find that in the box that your smartphone came with. So just try to find the box of your smartphone, or if you're not able to find it, just try to find the invoice copy of the phone from where you bought, and just take that bill and go to the shop owner and say that, hey, I bought this phone from you, I need the IMEI of that device. So that shop guy might give you an IMEI number of the phone that you have bought. So always keep in mind that the first thing that you need to do is to note down your IMEI number, which is a device identity number, and then take that number and go to the nearest police station and file a complaint. In this way, the police actually will notify the cyber security cell, from which they will start finding your smartphone using the IMEI that you have provided. Not only that, you have to provide your phone number too, which will help them to find your smartphone easily. As of now, there is no way to exactly find the location of your smartphone even if you lose. So the only authority that can help you in the first place is the police. So just note down your IMEI and go to the nearest police station, file a complaint, and then they'll start doing the process to find your smartphone. Number 2 is to use Find My Device. So basically, these two exist in both Android and iOS. On Android, if you've already registered in email in that particular smartphone, you can use that particular email in order to use it in Find My Device application. So Find My Device application is basically an app through which you can find all the connected device that you've connected with that particular email ID. So using that will kind of give you a rough estimate of where your smartphone is currently at, if that smartphone has internet access. So basically, your smartphone might have internet access because you might have the data pack on. If that's the case, then you can easily find the location of where your device is currently at. If it's in the case of iPhone, you have to use Find My Device, through which you can find your iPhone or your AirTag or whatever the Apple product that you've lost. Keep this in mind to use Find My app. So deactivating your phone number helps to reduce the stress a lot, because your phone number is a very essential data for the person who stole it. So deactivating it might help you to not use that particular phone number for any other illegal activities, because I've heard that people lost their phone and that phone number being used by a terrorist or some other people to do an illegal activity. And if something like that happens, then you will be the person under the radar of the law enforcement directory. So make sure to deactivate your phone number as quickly as possible after you lose your phone. And number 4 is a tip that you need to follow before actually losing your smartphone, is to not use the loose pockets that's there in your clothes. So basically, if you wear a hoodie, there'll be a pocket in front, and that's a loose pocket. So when you use a loose pocket, your device either falls down or a person can easily steal from that pocket because you might not notice it. So never use loose pockets if it's there on your cloth. I mostly suggest you to use the front pockets that's there on your jeans or trousers or pants or whatever. Just don't use any loose pocket or back pockets in your cloth, or else it's an easy way, or else the person who wants to steal it can easily steal from you without even you noticing it. So make sure to not use loose pockets on your bags or your cloth or whatever. The last and final thing that you need to do is to erase your data. Now, you might ask, Arnav, how can I do that? On Android, you can use Find My app. On iPhone, you can use Find My iPhone. So these two applications will let you to erase your data remotely. So basically what happens when someone gets a hold of your smartphone after you lose it, they can easily use your data in order to blackmail you or manipulate you if it has something very important. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually erase your data by using Find My. So on Android, if you use Find My, there's an option called as Erase Your Data, which will remotely erase your data automatically and will lock your device completely, so that the guy who stole it cannot access it anymore. So make sure to erase your data after you lose your smartphone, because that's very important. And if you have a backup of your data already stored in your drive, then you can easily access the erased data from your lost phone if you've already erased it from your current phone. So yes, make sure to erase all your data so that they won't get an access of your contacts or your files, your images or anything. So this is an important thing that you need to follow. So yes, these are some of the things that you need to follow soon after you lose your smartphone. So I hope this video was helpful, and if this video was helpful, just share this video with all of your friends, and also like this video if you really enjoyed it. And don't forget to press the subscribe button. It's very simple. Just click the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So this is me Arnav for now, and thanks for watching. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.